Meet the TS922.01 rough-in valve with two-way diverter, featuring 3/4-inch NPT threaded connections. Start off by checking the mudguard for the min/max lines. These lines will guide the correct installation depth for the valve. Place and align the valve with the mounting wall. Calculate the distance from the mounting wall to the min and max marks on the mudguard. This ensures that the finished wall will not extend beyond the max marking, leaving enough room for the trim to fit perfectly on the finished surface. Mount the valve onto a solid backing for stability, ensuring it's properly secured for long-lasting durability. Now clean and connect the cold and hot water supply lines to the right and left 3/4-inch NPT threaded inlets. Ensure all connections are tightly secured to prevent leaks. Next, clean and connect piping for outlet 1 and outlet 2. Outlet 1 can be for the primary shower fixture, and outlet 2 can be used for an additional fixture, like a handheld shower or bathtub spout. Both outlets can be controlled individually with the diverter. Perform a pressure test to ensure correct functionality. Check for any leaks and verify that the water pressure meets the required minimum PSI. When preparing for drywall and tile installation, ensure the hole is large enough to access the integral stops and cartridge, but smaller than the trim plate to maintain a seamless finish. The boundary of the hole should be aligned closely with the edge of the mudguard. This avoids creating extra-large voids, ensuring the trim plate fits perfectly and securely on the finished surface. Do not remove the mudguard until the trim installation phase. Improper installation can result in needing extension kits, which are not included in the original packaging. Ensure the finished wall doesn't extend beyond the max marking. The valve comes with 3/4-inch NPT connections and can be installed vertically or horizontally, offering flexibility in your design. Once the wall is finished, carefully remove the mudguards from valve and diverter to prepare for the final trim installation. Align the trim plate with both the diverter and the valve, ensuring that the plate is positioned securely in place. Next, slide the sleeve over the valve and thread the diverter sleeve into place. Use the provided screw to tighten the spline adapter onto the diverter. Loosen the set screw on the diverter and valve. Push the trim into place, then tighten the screw to ensure it is firmly secured. The anti-scald is preset for vertical installation. When mounting the trim, ensure the red mark and temperature override button are aligned. For horizontal installation, clip out the anti-scald with a screwdriver, rotate it 90 degrees, and reinsert it. Ensure the red mark and temperature override button are aligned accordingly. Now, turn on the water supply and test the entire system.